392 gang. What's up, guys? So I'm actually, it's really early in the morning, but I'm about to go. I got this decal sticker. You guys know I have the one on my back window, but I'm gonna put this one on my windshield because, I mean, it's what I want to do. It's my car, so I can do what the fuck I want to do. So let's go see how this is gonna go look. All right, so I made it to the decal shop. I'm about to get this decal put on. I don't know. You guys let me know if you like it or not. I mean, if you don't like it, so what? It's my car. If you do like it, hit that thumbs up. But let's go inside and let's see what they're talking about to put this decal put on. Always gotta get your mask. Always gotta have your mask. But got the decals right here, and let's go inside. So we're gonna have to clean the window first, and then try to measure it and put it in the center, because everything needs to be centered. You don't want no shit that's off leaning to the side. So since it rained yesterday, I'm gonna have to go wash my car because this is dirt. I don't like this. I'm definitely washing my car too because there's gonna be a car meet, so I'm not going to no car meet with a dirty ass car. Y'all see this? This is terrible. This is absolutely terrible. I can write my name in it. That's not good. Shit. So we're gonna wash my car today. Nigga, is that a rock chip? Oh no. Ooh, I almost got mad. Like, what the hell? It was some kind of flower. Y'all see this shit? Whatever the fuck that shit is. Get that shit off my car. But he's gonna clean the window right now. It's hella dirty because of the rain, but after that, we're gonna measure the sticker and put it on the middle. We're measuring it right now. We gotta do some tweaking because we gotta center it, make it look all nice and pretty. He's got his measurements. I think it look cool. I mean, it is small because I have a small name, but hey, it's my car, right? Give a shit. I think it's gonna look good though. I think it'll look great. We are getting the finishing touches. So like, a lot of people get the whole, like they get the YouTube all across the windshield, but their YouTube name be hella long, so they use smaller letters. My YouTube name is really little, so it's just gonna have to go in the middle. Oh well. Whatever works. I like it. What do you guys think? I like it. What do you guys think? I like it. It's different. It's just like my back window. But I mean, ooh, my car is dirty as hell. I like it though. I really do. But hey, you guys, drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Drop a comment. Let me know if you like it or not. I like it. I think you guys will like it too. It's different. I mean, it's my car, you know? I'll do what I want. YOLO, you only live once. 392 gang. Gang, 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 gang. What's up with you guys? Mr. Darren here, back with another video. Sorry I haven't been posting. Work has been fucking terrible. But I'm about to go to the wrap shop, but I'm getting my new sticker put on because my other ones are like hella old and shit. I'm gonna get some new ones. So pretty much it's gonna be the same video, but it's a different day because, like I said, I work 6 days a week. I can't go to car meets. I can't go see none of that shit. It's so fucking weak. But hey, I'm making that money. But I'll hit you guys back when I get to the motherfucking wrap shop. But first, I want to show you guys my new backdrop. I got it from the wrap shop. Oh, you can't even see. It's dark. It's dark. There we go. Look, guys. Oh, that shit nice. What do you guys think? Comment below. I got a new backdrop to make my videos with. Ooh. See how it goes from red to darker? I can't see. Darker? Do you see it? That shit nice, bro. I was hella juiced when I got this. What do you guys think? Comment below. I love it. So I made it to the shop. So I'm getting this Instagram replaced, and then on the other side, and then I'm moving this down here because people can't really see it way up. You can see it. Oh, my YouTube sticker right here, right here, and we're gonna move it down here. But let's go see what my boy talking about because I'm getting my shit replaced. Oh, there he is. I found him. Oh man, about to pick up my stickers. Damn, they make fucking cop stickers too. Damn, look at this shit. Look, conquer police. Damn, y'all do cop stickers too? Yeah. Holy shit. What's up, dog?
Oh, nothing much. You know, working, keeping busy.
It's Monday. I'm finally here to pick up my damn stuff. I work too damn much. I do. I work too much.
Oh yeah, I know what you mean.
So we have the Instagram and then the YouTube one. Yep. What's my damage? How much money I owe? Alright, got my money out. So We're about to get these stickers. It's gonna look good because, like I said, the other one's like I feel like it's too small, so like nobody can see it. So I want it bigger so you can see it, especially on the freeway. What I have to do is I peeled that one off, but now I have to peel this one off. So sad. Where's my razor blade? Here, because I put it in here, but I want to just reach in and just slice my finger all up. What the fuck did I do with it? Oh, right here. I found it. I'm gonna fucking slice my finger all up. All right, let's get to removing. Car looks so naked without the sticker. I was so used to it, but that's okay. I'm gonna get a fucking new one. So let's see how it looks when we get. Even the same, what's that? Even the same house in the city from Mrs. Doubtfire. That house is expensive as fuck too. Shit, yes it is.
It went up even more after he died.
Oh yeah, hey. Yeah, he's putting it on right now. Yeah. Okay. A lot better. So it was up there, but now I moved it down and it's bigger. So now everybody on the freeway can fucking see it. I like it. And then my new Instagram sticker, because the other one was all faded and shit. But I think I'm gonna come back and get the Snapchat and YouTube replaced. I'll come back and get those. What do you guys think? I see my boys at Big Boy Wraps up in Concord, California. They hooking it up. Old sticker off, new stickers on. Appreciate these guys here, man. You guys gotta come see them. Big Boy Wraps. Right, so I got my stickers done. Now I'm about to head to my dad's house and I'm gonna pick up some mail over there. But let's get to Fairfield. So I made it to my daddy's house, pick up some mail. I had to move his trash can because it was in the way. But I want to make sure the garbage man can still get to it. I like it. What y'all think? I like it. Let's go see what my dad's doing. With my dirty ass car. Car's dirty. My dad got a new stove. And a new microwave. I like it. I think I want one of these. So I got all my mail. Now I'm about to go to the bank real quick because go deposit me some money. But yeah, see my dad. He's got some new electronics. But let's go to the bank. So I made it to the bank. Oh, there we go. Cool. But there's like a line right over there somewhere. So we're gonna go stand in line and go do my transactions, and then I'm about to head to the house. So I made it back home. I'm tired. My cat. But that's a wrap for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Like the little vlog day today. But like, comment, subscribe, smash that bell. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.